Children can achieve many milestones with quality education. They can be artists, scientists, leaders, doctors, engineers, lawyers, and much more. No matter what they grow up to become, we believe in nurturing them to become great individuals first, the ones who are filled with purpose, wisdom, compassion, and empathy. At Arya Global Group of Schools, we give them the right environment to express. We teach them to practice gratitude. We teach them to have empathy towards all cultures and people. And we ensure that they have a strong sense of patriotism along with taking care of their environment. Dr. Neelam and Mr. Bharat Malik initiated Arya Global Group of Schools 35 years ago with the establishment of St. Mary's High School in Kalyan. Since then, at Arya Global Group of Schools, have gone a long way to provide the best for the children of this great country and now is one of the top rated Chinmaya mission schools in India. Our preschool is named Little Aryans Pre-K, which was founded in 2006 and has been trusted by 15,000 parents till date, and we strictly follow a student-teacher ratio of 15:1. At Little Aryans Pre-K, we set the right foundation for your child's growth where we focus on skill-based learning and holistic development of every child, which is guided by the principles of Swami Chinmayananda. His teachings on moral values, self-awareness and spiritual growth are integral to the Chinmaya Vision program that we follow. It's through his stories that we impart essential values such as honesty, compassion, perseverance, and respect. Alongside regular learning and extracurricular activities, we nurture well-rounded and responsible young minds. We have two esteemed schools in our community, Arya Gurukul, which is a CBSE school and is located both in Kalyan and Ambernath, while St. Mary's High School, which is located in Kalyan, is an SSC school. Arya Gurukul consistently achieves 100% pass rates with over 5,600 successful students till date, all while maintaining a low student-teacher ratio of 20:1. Whereas our St. Mary's High School has had more than 4,000 students pass till date with 100% results every year and has a student-teacher ratio of only 29:1. At our schools, we not only follow the CBSE and SSC curriculums, where we have advanced tech classrooms and labs, but most importantly, we focus on each student's personal growth. We provide a supportive environment where everyone gets equal opportunities to excel. Our education cell ensures that we focus on concept-based education and we have regular PTA meetings along with internal discussions on every child's individual growth.
At Arya Gurukul, my dedicated team works tirelessly to provide an education that not only meets the latest curriculum but also fosters social growth in each child.
My goal is to ensure collaborative learning environment amongst our faculty where every child's progress is regularly evaluated and nurtured.
Hari Om and Namaste. Together, we aim to create a supportive and enriching experience that helps your child thrive.
At Arya Global Group of Schools, we teach kids to think positively from the very beginning.
Our caring team provides a safe space for your little ones to discover, learn and grow.
This consistent growth in our teaching methods have gone a long way in helping Arya Global Group of Schools achieve some of the highest scores across CBSE and SSC boards with 100% results every year. And some have even become established entrepreneurs and receive funding on an esteemed platform like Shark Tank India.
I'm here in the school since play school, and it has been a great and a joyful experience throughout my journey. As the motto of our school suggests, happy child and happy nation.
I'm Nidhi Makwana, grade 12 student of Arya Gurukul, and I have been here from the past 7 years. It is a great journey to be here and join the school.
It is this unbeatable trust of our parents that we are able to lay the foundation of building a better future for the nation.
Our mission at Arya Global Group of Schools is to develop 21st century learners. taking care that we try and meet both educational and ethical standards. It is our endeavor to provide a caring and collaborative environment. Of course, this is supported by a motivated workforce, technology, and research. Our motto, Happy Child, Happy Nation, guides everything we do. We believe that when children are happy and thriving, it benefits not only just them, but our entire society. Our alumni are all over the world, and over 35 years, we have been dedicated to nurturing happy, successful students in a caring environment and wish to continue to do so, of course, with your support. Hari Om.